Working on a Denso ECU from a Volvo XC90 2013, if I'm not mistaken. Customer requested that I clone the ECU. I got the diagram over here. Let me connect the cables and we'll be right back. Alright, I got everything connected. Let's see if we can communicate. Wonderful. We have connection. Now we can back up the ECU. Nice. Now I can call the customer, tell him that we can clone it without any issues. So that's the original, that's the donor. Now I'm gonna back up the donor just in case. So now after backing up the donor, we need to write the original data. Now it's erasing and writing the donor, the original data of the car. So the customer just have to plug, and that's it. The car will start. It's just plug and play. So after cloning, I wanted to verify that all the data moved correctly. And here in the EEPROM, we can check that the VIN number is correct. That's the VIN number of the car. That's the original file, and the VIN number is here.